Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVSAUDIO in Roselle, New Jersey. Doing a little something different today. This is a 2019 CVO Road Glide. It has the Soundz audio upgrade installed in it. It's 6 speakers, amplifier, Soundz DSP. Sounds really good. Customer wanted to get a little more out of it, so we went to log into the DSP, see if we can make adjustments and make it sound better. It turns out the Soundz DSP is locked. It cannot be adjusted. I called Soundz to make sure that's the way it is, and they said that's the way it is on the new DSP because they had customers logging into the older DSP and blowing stuff up. So we're gonna have to pull that out because we need some adjustability. We're gonna keep the sound speakers and the sound amplifier. We're adding mid-bass drivers to the bag. We're cutting some 8s into the bag. So we're gonna do a Sound Digital 800. We're gonna pull the Soundz DSP out. We're gonna install our own DSP. That way we can fine tune and adjust it. Customer did the install himself, so some of the wires need to be cleaned up a little bit, but it's definitely not a wiring rescue. Everything is safe. It's all, since he got the kit from Soundz, all the wires are oxygen-free copper, so we're not gonna have to replace the wires. We're just gonna neaten it up a little bit. The install is solid, everything works, nothing's shutting off. Customer did a good job, but we're just gonna make it a little bit better. Okay, wiring, removing the Soundz DSP. And upgrading to the DSR1 so we could actually tune it, not stuck with the preset tune. It was a little bit harder than I thought it would be because I guess the guys from Soundz got a really good deal on just white and gray wires. So we had to figure out what every single wire was in the connector. We used an RTA to figure out that one set of the white and black gave us front left. The other set was actually constant and ground. So we got it all figured out now. So we have left audio, right audio, power, ground, accessory going into the DSP. Then we wanted to make their kit, we wanted it to remain plug and play, so we didn't cut off any of these connectors. So we reused them, soldered RCAs onto the end, and made it plug and play into the Rockford DSR1. So that harness there, you remove this harness here, and then the Soundz DSP will plug back in if the customer ever chose to go that route. So now that we're all wired up, now we're able to tune it. We're keeping the Soundz amplifier, it's not wrong with it. And we're keeping the Sound speakers. We're adding another Sound Digital Evo X 800 in the bag where the boom audio amp is, and we're gonna add 2 8-inch mid-bass drivers to give this thing some bass. Okay, with the Soundz kit, they bypass the factory amplifier, and then they use amplifier bypass harness. Now the issue is we need that space to install our new Sound Digital Evo X. So it's smaller than the boom audio amplifier, so it'll fit in the rack perfectly. This is where our 8-inch mid-bass driver is gonna go. So we have to remove the plug. Leaving the harness in leaves a lot of bulk. So we're gonna remove the factory harness, repin it, make our own custom harness, but it's all gonna be able to go back to factory.